Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone guys phone touch and hold three finger to take a screenshot. How can we enable? Friends, we want to enable and friends we won't get three finger touch and hold settings. So how can we enable and how can we use today friends? I will show you. I will show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable guys your touch and hold three finger screenshot. After on guys system setting we will on. After on system setting, as you can see gesture setting, as tap here. As you can see touch and hold with three finger to take a screenshot. So guys, first of all we will enable from right side. After enable guys, you can see guys, we will touch and hold. So guys, you can take a screenshot from here guys. You can adjust guys how much screenshot guys you want guys, only this screenshot. So guys, you can adjust and you can take the screenshot like that. And guys, you can use guys the touch and hold to take a screenshot setting in your Oppo phone device. You can use it and guys we will save from here. Screenshot will save. So like that guys, you can enable guys your touch and hold screenshot setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.